This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim!
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. It's bedtime and we're wide awake. Wide awake. They're here! Kerry's mum and dad are at the door. They're having dinner with our mummy and dad tonight. It's a goodbye dinner party for grown-ups. Because we're moving house tomorrow.
Hi guys, come on in.
Hi Brian, hi Joy. Thanks for inviting us.
I made this trifle for pudding. Oh, thank you.
Can we help with any last minute packing?
No, thanks, Carson. We're all set for the moving van in the morning, as you can see.
Oh, hello, Topsy and Tim. Are you excited about the move tomorrow?
Yes. Where's Kerry?
Oh, she's with Danielle, the babysitter.
Wow, Dominique, that trifle looks so nice. Please, can we come down and have some?
Oh no, Topsy, I'm sorry. This is our pudding.
Oh, please don't eat it all tonight. Please, can you save some trifle for us?
Maybe. But right now you need to say goodnight to everyone and I'll come up and tuck you in.
Good night, everyone. Good night, trifle.
Night. Good morning, guys.
Night. Come on, wait for me. Mummy tucked us into our beds.
Night, night, my Toptastic twins.
Night, night, Mummy.
Straight off to sleep, please. Tomorrow is a very busy day.
So we lie in bed for ages and think about moving house tomorrow. But we can't sleep. Tim? Yes, Topsy. I think I'm too excited to get to sleep. Me too. I'm wide awake. Tomorrow night, we'll be in our own separate bedrooms in our new house. And these bunk beds will be in Tony Welch's house. Oh, yeah. This is our last night of sleeping in our bunk beds before we give them to Tony. I'll miss our bunk beds. I'll never sleep on the bottom bunk again. And I'll never sleep on the top bunk again. Let's hop round one last time. Yes! Ah. I wonder what they're laughing at. I'm going to go and see. Come on, little moon bunny. Come on, Tim. Oh no.
Trifle.
I'm going to rescue him. Tim. Yes. Oh, good Moon Bunny. I love you, little Moon Bunny. Did anyone see you? I don't think so. I saw Mummy. Did you see the trifle? No, I didn't. Why don't you go down and get Teddy and see it? Okay. Eddie, Teddy and I go to spy on the trifle. But I can't see the trifle, so I get a little bit closer.
That was a work of art. How long did that take?
Not long, actually. About 20 minutes.
Because you ate the first 2 attempts, obviously.
No, the custard, I didn't make the custard from scratch, I have to admit.
Well, it looks absolutely incredible. Who wants some?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Oh, that's mine. That's mine. Okay, no, get some more, get some more, get some more.
They're eating the trifle now, Topsy. We go back to bed and I think about the trifle. Until I hear them leaving.
Oh, thank you so much for the lovely dinner.
Oh, thank you for coming.
I'm really going to miss having you so close by.
Remember, we're only moving 2 roads away.
Oh, and you still bring Kerry over to play.
Oh, well, we'll come and wave you off tomorrow. Oh, and I hope Topsy and Tim enjoy the trifle we left for them.
Oh, well, thank you. I'm sure they will. Goodbye. See you soon.
No worries.
Get home safely.
Bye.
See you later.
Yes, trifle. Topsy, are you still awake? They've left some trifle for us. Hooray! Shh. Shh. Quick, get into bed. Mummy and Dad heard us and came up to our bedroom. Hello, Mummy. Hello, Daddy. Hello, Mummy. Hello, Dad.
Topsy, Tim, have you swapped bunk beds again?
Why aren't you both asleep?
We were too excited about tomorrow. Sorry. Sorry. And that's when Mummy said, "That's okay. Moving house is a big adventure."
That's okay. Moving house is a big adventure, Topsy and Tim. I don't think I'll get much sleep tonight either, but I'm going to try.
Okay.
Well, I don't know about you, but I'm excited about waking up and having trifle for breakfast.
The whole thing.
The whole thing. And that is worth going to sleep for.
And that, said Dad, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, Mummy and Dad had a goodbye dinner party for grown-ups. Can you remember what pudding Carson and Dominique brought round? Was it trifle? Or was it a cake? The answer is behind the cloud. Look, the answer is a trifle. Watch this.
Hi guys, come on in.
Hi, Brian. Hi, Joy. Thanks for inviting us.
I brought a trifle for pudding.
Thank you.
Can we help with any last-minute packing?
No, thanks, Carson. We're all ready for the removal van in the morning, as you can see.
Oh, hello, Topsy and Tim. Are you excited about the move tomorrow?
Yes. Where's Kerry?
Oh, she's with Danielle, the babysitter.
Wow, Dominique, that trifle looks so nice. Please, can we come down and have some?
Oh no, Topsy, I'm sorry. This is our pudding.
Please don't eat it all tonight. Please, can you save some trifle for us? Great game. That was good fun. See you soon.